Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here at the place at Corkscrew. This is the Trevi floor plan, part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find here at the place. Let's run inside and take a look here. So as we come into this home, you're going to find 3 bedrooms, a den, over 2,000 square foot, pool and spa package. But first, right off to the left here, we have our guest bedroom here. And then you've got your closet right here. Right past the guest bedroom, you have the guest bath with the singular sink, the commode. Then you have the combination tub and shower there. And then coming past the main entry again, we come across your den. So this is a true den here. There is no closet. You have the nice glass doors there to close that up for some privacy. Now coming across the house, we have your laundry space here with full-size washer and dryer, and that would be your entry to your 2-car garage right there. And then we have your second guest bedroom here. Nice part about this bedroom is it has the ensuite bath, so you have again the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower here. So really nice setup on this guest bedroom. Now we come into the main living spaces of the home. So you have your dining and great room area and your kitchen right here. So your kitchen, you have the nice white cabinets, stainless appliance package, granite countertops. Right over here in the corner, you've got this nice sized pantry here. And then this all overlooks your great room space, and you've got plenty of seating here at the kitchen bar as well. Now this owner has some nice upgrades added to the home, not just the curtains, but here there's a built-in electric fireplace. So really nice use of this space here. Again, there's your dining, your great room area. You can see the pool out past the sliding glass doors, and there's your nice kitchen tucked away here as well. Last but not least, on the inside here, you have your owner's retreat. So you've got 2 nice sized closets. Here's one of them, for example, and then you have one directly across from me here, right behind this door. And then you've got the bedroom space here. That is a king-size bed. You can see how much room you still have. Some nice paneling on the walls. Attractive ceiling fans that have been added to this home. Past the bedroom, you have the owner's bath here with the dual sinks. You have the soaking tub, your standalone shower here, and then your private enclosed water closet right there. Now last but not least, on the home itself, we have the exterior living spaces here. This is an amazing lot. This owner has added this pool area here, no pavers, custom pool, and this all overlooks the nice big lake here. So fantastic outdoor living space here with the custom pool and spa overlooking your lake, and you're gonna get some really nice sunset views from back there as well. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.